evening. So if you can kindly share your screen and we'll look at the past paper
Okay.
for ITA level, I think it's what, 2025
Yes.
paper? Okay, so kindly share your screen and we can take a look at it.
Okay. So please, can you see my screen?
No, no, I can't.
Okay.
Can you share again? You can stop sharing and reshare.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay, now I can. Yes. Okay. So I'm going to open the question paper. And do you have the exercise files
yes.
saved, downloaded? Okay, so you can minimize and open the exercise files whilst I look at the question paper. Or you want to open the question paper?
Yes, I will.
Okay. Okay, so you open the question paper. You can minimize the browser. It's fine if you can't see me, but if you can hear me, it's okay. Open the question paper and let's go through it step by step. So we will pick the database question. Then if you have more time, we will look at the Excel. Okay. And
Okay.
once we finish, we can look at what question is this? Question number what? Go to the top. I
Question number one.
can't see. Um, go to the top. Go to the top. This is what May, June. But what you shared with me was also May, June 2025, and that is 962602.
Yes, please.
Okay. Maximize it to fill the entire screen because I can't see. Increase it. Okay, scroll down a bit. Scroll. Keep scrolling.
So we haven't even touched Excel yet. We did movie making and sound editing,
Okay, scroll down.
video editing.
Scroll down. Scroll down. What you sent and what I'm seeing are totally different. Go check your email. The one you sent.
Okay, sir.
Because I saw the files this morning. Um, okay. Go come down. The one you sent. Now go to your send. Go to your send. You sent some files over to me. Yes. Forwarded paper 2. Hit on it. Scroll. Okay. Okay, download the first one. Yes.
Oh, so okay, so I think this is the.
Yeah, download that. Okay.
Oh, okay. I think they're different papers.
Yes. So open that. Um, Scroll. So this February, March. Scroll down. Go down. Okay. This was the one you sent, right?
Yes, I sent both of them. So I think
Okay. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so let's look at the instructions quickly. Then. The database section is which question? Question number. Go down. Question number
I,
6. I
yes.
think.
I think it's question number one, the first question.
No, the first question is about video editing. This has nothing to do with database.
Oh, so we're doing the database, not video editing.
Database. I want us
Okay.
to complete the database section. Make sure you have a solid understanding of it. And once you are through with that, we look at Microsoft Excel. You get
Okay,
a
sir.
full understanding, then we can look at video editing, and that's how we're going to build. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So wait. We are scrolling too fast.
Sorry, so I'm looking for the where the question starts. I think it's question three.
Create a new question. Three is about Microsoft Excel. That is not what we're looking at. Go down, go down. Okay, stay there. Aha. So open and examine the file m25 customers.csv. So can you open that file?
Yes.
Okay. So it starts from question 6. Okay. Okay, so maximize it. So let's go back to the question and readjust the column weight. So how do you readjust? Double tap in between
Oh,
column A and B. You double tap. Yes. So you've readjusted, which is fine. Okay, let's go back to the question. Okay. So create in your what
a
evidence
document.
document a data dictionary for database using this data where the database will be normalized to first normal form. So when we say first normal form, what do we mean by that?
First normal form. So this is actually my first time hearing this.
Okay. So in database normalization, we see that whatever is contained within a particular field should be atomic. So if you have the first name and the last name contained in one cell, then that will need to be separated. So that is database normalization in the first normal form. So for the purposes of this, we will deal with first normal form. And there are other questions where you will be required to normalize it to third normal form and others even to the fifth normal form. Okay. So let's look at your data.
So it's 19 marks.
Yes, that's a
That's
lot
all.
of marks. So you can't miss out on that. Okay. So if you look at the customer number, we have it, right?
Yes.
We have the name column. The name column contains what? Two entities, right?
Yes.
So it's probably the first name and the last name. And if you look at the address and zip code, they've all been put into one cell. So
Yes.
database normalizations for first normal form, we need to separate them. So we need to separate the address, we need to separate the zip code. Okay. Then the area code and telephone, they've all been contained in one cell. We don't want that. So we need to change that. Does that make sense?
Yes, please.
Good. And also, we shouldn't have duplicate values when it comes to normalizing what? Databases.
Yes.
We need to first of all select the entire content on this particular worksheet. So how do you select? Mhm.
You
Then
can also do it up here.
yes, that is it. So if you want to remove duplicate, where do you go? Which tab would you go to? Which group would you find it to remove duplicate?
Okay, so I would have to look through and see.
Yes, go through because we are dealing with data, right?
Yes.
We are dealing with data and we want to remove duplicate. I'm giving you a clue. Data, we want to remove duplicate. So you've identified your data tab. Mhm. You found it. So
Yes.
it's within the data tools group. This is where you come to remove the duplicate. So yes, your database contains the columns, customer number, blah, 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 blah. Then you hit OK.
It
Boom.
says all duplicate values found and removed.
That is
40
it. So
unique
that,
values remain.
yes.
Okay.
So that is the first step. Does that make sense?
Yes, please.
Good. So now we will need to separate the first name and the last name into two separate columns. So we need to insert a column in between the name and the address and zip code columns. So how do we separate that? How do
So I
we
have to insert a colon in between the address and zip code.
No, in between the name column, which is column B and column C. So how do you insert a column? Where do you go?
Oh,
Mhm.
sorry. Oh, you can either just click in between here
Uh-huh.
and go to insert.
Okay.
Oh,
But this
sorry, I
is
made a
to the
mistake.
left, right?
Yes,
So you need to delete it.
yes,
If you want to delete a column, you right click delete.
in
Uh-huh.
between here.
In between. So it means if you insert it, it will insert it to the left. So you need to select
So
column C.
C.
Then you can do your right click to insert.
Oh,
Right click. No, no, just right click on column C.
sorry.
Aha. So once you right click, then you select insert column. It will be inserted to the left. So now we need to separate the first name and the last name. So you go and click on column B. Column B contains the first name and the last name. So you select the entire column. So how do you select the entire column?
Just select the first from where
Mhm.
you want, and then you just drag down, or you can just type here.
Okay. So now you've selected the entire column. If you want to select an entire column, just go to the letter B at the top. No, column B. Now it move up a bit, move up a bit. Now it changes, the arrow changes into a downward pointing arrow.
Yes,
So once you click it, select the entire column from top to bottom. Click. So you've selected. So now we will need to select up to the last row of your worksheet, which is about 1 million plus. Okay.
yes.
So now we need to go to data tab because we are still dealing with data. Okay. So go to the data tab.
So why did we select the entire column?
You might get a database which contains about 10,000 records. So you don't need to be dragging throughout. So you get to the 10,000 row. That will be a waste of time. Okay. So within the data tools group, we have text to columns. So once you hit on it, it will separate it. Now we select the delimiter. What is separating the first and the last name? So you click on next. You click on next. What is separating the first and the last name? If you look at
Um,
the column,
tab,
what is separating the first and the last name?
a space in between them, or a
Yes.
tab,
No, look at the column B. What is separating the first and the last name?
space, a space.
Yes. That is it. So you hit space, you hit on next. Now it's a text field, right? So now let's change the column data format to text. You hit on finish. So quickly, you've separated the first name and the last name. So you need to give it a column title. So this is your surname, where we have C1, you type surname.
So please, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen. So now let's make a distinction. Go to column B and we type first name. Are you okay with that?
Yes, please.
Okay. So once that is done, now let's look at the address because the address contains the address 1, address 2, address 3, and a postcode. So if you want to insert columns to the left, you need to go to column E to do that. So
So I should
you
insert.
insert 3 columns in
No,
addition to
okay.
this. So 1, insert again, 2, insert again, 3. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. No, insert okay. Yeah, 3 columns is fine. Yeah, that's fine. So we're going to go through that same process and what is separating it. Look at it carefully. Look at the data. What is separating the addresses?
A
No,
space.
no, look at it. Look at the data in front of you. What is separating it? I want you to
Line.
move so that you look at the data on the worksheet. What is separating the addresses?
At signs.
That is it. So what do you do?
I think I have to click other.
Aha, that is it. So uncheck the space, then you put your at there. You selected other, so you need to add the at symbol. Does that make sense?
Yes, please.
Next. Now we go to what? Finish. So that's the result. Have you seen it?
Yes, please.
So now what you're going to do is to give the appropriate title. Okay. So make the first one address 1, the second address 2. So change the column headings. Address 2, address, the third address, and that should be address 1. This should be zip code. Okay. Now go to the first one should be address 1. Good. Okay. So we've not finished. So I want you to readjust the columns. You double tap to readjust.
Oh, sorry.
It first, double tap in between any of the column headings. Okay. So now the area code and the telephone, we need to separate it. Okay. Now you already have columns. No, you don't need to insert columns because it will go to the
Okay.
right way. Okay. Does
Okay,
that make
sir.
sense?
Yes.
Uh-huh. So now text to columns. Okay. So the delimiter here is what?
A space.
Uh-huh. Okay. Next. Now let's maintain it as text because if you make it general, it will omit the leading zero. Okay. Text. That's good. Finish. So we have the area code and telephone, right?
Yes, please.
So the
Sorry about
area
that.
code, just type area code. Then the next one is the telephone. Telephone. Okay. So let's delete the 2 columns. Are we okay?
Yes, please.
Okay. So at least this is the first part of normalization. And you also need to understand that in database, when you are giving field names, okay, or the column headings, we shouldn't have spaces in between them. So you can either use underscore as spaces, or you can use the camel case system where customer number, you can make the customer capital C, then you remove the space and make it capital N followed by the number, or you can put an underscore. So which one do you prefer? Do you
I
want
think I'll put
underscore?
underscore.
Okay. So you do it for all of the headings. Tab. Mhm. You do it for all the headings. Okay. Remove the extra space. Good. You do it for zip code. Okay. Now telephone capital T. Telephone capital T.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So please, why is there like I think you said it's giving an error message.
Because we've changed the formatting of the column to text, the system recognizes it as a number. But when we change it to the number format, it will omit the zero. And we don't want that. That is why we maintain it as text. Does that make sense?
Yes, please.
So I want you to select the data and I want you to filter the customer number to, to be sorted in ascending order. Filter. So if you are filtering, smallest to largest, good. You need to expand the selection. We are expanding the selection to include everything so that it will sort it for you. Okay. Is it okay now?
Yes, please.
Good. So this is done. Let's go to the question. Let's look at the question.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay,
So it's
hold
all
on.
of that for 19 marks.
Aha. No, we are not. So you need to create in your evidence document a data dictionary for a database using this data, where the database will be normalized to first normal form. So data dictionary is basically telling us information about the database. So customer name, what type of data is stored in there? Okay. Is there a, is that a primary key? So we need to create that. So I want you to go to Google and ask, what is data dictionary?
So sorry.
Well, that's fine. So what is a data dictionary? This is how I want you to learn. So you have the past paper. Okay, I don't understand this. Okay, how do I get the understanding if Sefifi is not around? Okay, then let me do a Google search. Okay, data dictionary. What is that? Read it.
A data dictionary is a centralized um, re-
Repository.
repository that stores metadata, which is information about data within a database or system. It provides details such as data type, relationship, constraints,
Content
constraints, and descriptions of data elements.
element. Mhm.
Essentially, it acts as a reference guide for understanding the structure, organization, and attributes of the data.
That is it. Uh-huh. So in a database management system, the data dictionary is critical for managing, organizing data efficiently. It helps prevent redundancy, ensures consistency, and provides a clear understanding of the relationship between tables and fields. So for example, it can describe a table's column, their data type, constraint like primary key or foreign key, and other attributes. And that is basically what we'll be doing. Okay, so go and
Okay.
open your Excel. So once you get the understanding, we're done. And there is no database question in there. A-level IT that you'll not be able to answer. You need to understand it. Once you have the understanding, first normal form, second normal form, third normal form, you should be good to go. Okay. So now
Okay,
we
sir.
have our customer name, the first name, the surname, the address, one address, two address, three, zip code, area code, and what telephone, right? So these
Yes.
are the field names. Okay. These are the
Yes.
field names. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 field name, but we need to create a data dictionary. And that you have to do that in Microsoft Word.
Good.
Okay, so go to Microsoft Word and we need to have 8 rows, including the heading. So let's say we have 9 rows. So open Microsoft Word, insert a table. Okay.
So
No, no,
you said
8 rows, 8 rows, and the column.
okay.
So I want us to look at the columns. Go back to your Google search. Mhm. So we need what? What do we need? We
Data
need
types,
data
relationships.
type. Mhm.
So
Constraint, description
okay,
of data
one,
element. Uh-huh. So
four.
first of all, so we need a field name. So field name is one column, right?
Yes.
Good. So that will be the description. Minimize it. Go back to your word. So field name is one column. That is one. We will need the data type. Okay, that is also another column.
Yes.
And we also need whether it is a primary key or a foreign key. So that is also another column. Then we can also look at the validation. We can also look at the size of the field. So make it 5 columns. It's fine. Hit on OK.
Yes, I've already done it.
Oh, okay. Okay. So the first cell, sorry, excuse me. The first cell you type field name,
Hey, sorry.
field, E-L-D, I-E-L-D.
I don't know why I'm typing like this.
Okay. Now we need the data, autocorrect it. Uh-huh. Now we will need to copy. Okay, that's fine. So data type. Okay, then the next one should be primary key, primary slash secondary. Sorry, foreign, primary slash foreign key. Then we can look at the field size. Then field size. Okay. Now, maybe we can add validation as the last column.
Oh,
Validation, validation. Okay. So the field name, let's go back to our Excel so that
okay,
we
sir.
don't waste too much time typing. So copy the column headings, only the column headings. Select A to I, Control Shift right. Okay, that's fine. Control C to copy. Okay, go and click, wait. Go and click at K1. Don't double click, just click. Now go to your clipboard group under the home tab. The drop down arrow for paste. Click on the drop down arrow, no,
Okay.
drop down arrow for paste. Look for transpose at the top. It's at the top. Come down a bit. You're moving too fast. Right. So now it's in. column now. So Control C to copy. Okay, minimize, then go back to your Microsoft Word and select from, then Control V to paste. Quickly, you get it done. So we need to insert another. I think we've missed out the telephone. So position your mouse at the last cell, put it within the last cell, and hit on the tab. Click, hit on the tab key on the keyboard. Hit tab, 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 tab. Yes. Now add a telephone.
I have to move
Yeah.
everything.
No, no, you don't need to remove it. Just type telephone. You don't need to remove it.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So the customer number is a numeric data type. So you type numeric,
So
Numeric.
just type it.
Yeah, you can type it. Yes, numeric. So the data type for this particular field is numeric. Numeric. Okay.
Sorry,
Let-
ME.
yes. Me. Elephant. Yes. Then the first name is a text. Surname is text all the way to your telephone. Come to first name. So text, 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 text throughout. So you can just copy and paste. You don't need to be typing.
Okay.
So you copy. Are you following what you're doing? So
Yes,
open
please.
our data dictionary, then you paste. Good. Well done. So let's go back to our Excel sheet. So with our Excel sheet, you can see, so kindly delete the content of column K.
No. Sorry.
Delete. Entire row. Okay, that's fine. So we have customer number 1 through to what? What's the last number?
40.
Right? And they are all different, right?
Yes.
So this is a unique ID. So this will be our primary key. Okay. So this is going to be our primary key. So go back to your data dictionary file. And there you have it. So the customer number is your primary key. Okay. And we're going to do something about the field size. So forget about the rest. We only need one primary key. So we've finished with that. The field size will look at the number of characters within the field. Okay. So let's go to the customer number. So if you look through the customer number, we have the maximum character is what?
2.
Yes. So the field size is 2, but it can even go beyond that. But for the purposes of our database, it's just 1 to 40. But what if we have 100? If you have 100, then it's going to be 3. Then you make
Yes.
adjustment. So I want us to use a formula to look for the field size for first name, surname, address 1, address 2, and all of that. Okay. So go to the top, go to column K, K2. Now we're going K2. Now type it is equal to length. It is equal to LEN, open a bracket.
Oh.
Yeah, LEN,
Oh, LE.
open a bracket.
Okay, okay.
Now go and select column B.
The
No,
whole of it.
no, B2.
Okay.
Hit enter. Okay, now do an autofill all the way down. Okay. Okay, good. So if you look through the number,
10.
the maximum is what? 10.
10.
So the field size there is what? 10. Okay, so go and put it in there. Are you following?
Yes, please.
Now let's go to surname.
Should I just do
No,
this?
you just need to copy the formula. So do the autofill to the right. Position, drag to the right. Leave it. No. Drag to the right first. Drag to the right. Now you can drag all the way down.
So okay, so automatically does that for the rest of the other
Yes. So what's the field size for the,
11.
is 11 the maximum?
Yes, please.
Okay. So go and do it for the rest.
Oh, sorry. Let me
Or
just okay, so
hmm
okay, that means that's it.
okay. So go all the way down. No, no, no. Okay. We still have some.
Yes. So I just want okay.
No,
Okay.
you are still going through. It should end at, why don't you copy the column headings? Go and copy the customer number to telephone. Copy. Then go and paste it. Copy and just paste it at where the K is. Yeah, paste. That way you will know. So it ends at what?
Um 0.
Okay.
So why was it saying 1? 1.
One, because it picked the customer, that which is the column K, because it's just one character that you see over there. Okay, so address one.
I said this is not for the customer number. This is for the first name.
First name, then meaning you need to delete.
So I think there's one more.
No,
Okay.
we don't have one more. So just
Okay.
delete the customer number. Just delete the customer number.
6, 7, 8. Um,
Delete
is
the customer number. You don't need a customer number. So
okay, so,
delete that column. Delete that column. Just delete it. No, no, no.
so I don't need this anymore.
You don't need it anymore. Delete it. Right click and delete. Good. So starting from first name, surname, address one, address two, address three. The next one is what? Zip code.
Yes, but see, I think we made a mistake. So I think I should do it again because the
Okay.
first one we did was for first name because we already did customer number. So this is supposed to be for the surname.
Wait. Okay. Click on the wait. Hold on.
So should I
Go
just
back.
do it again?
Yeah. Go click on it. We are changing. Don't worry. Don't delete it. Wait. Listen to the instruction. Click on K2. Double click within the formula. Go to the formula bar. So in making reference to C2, right? So
Yes.
change the C2 to B2.
Oh, okay, sir.
Now hit enter. Now do the autofill to your right. No, you don't need to do that again. So do the autofill to your right. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Now you can do autofill down. Go and click on the bottom, all the way down. Now leave it. Okay, so there you have it now, right? So what's
Yes.
the maximum? So go back to your data dictionary table and fill in the field sizes
So
with the maximum.
surname is 11.
Mhm.
Um, surname is 11. Address is 17.
Okay.
Um,
So let me teach you another way. I want you to hold on. I want you to insert another row above the first name. So go and right click on row one, the row number one at the top.
okay.
Go to your left. One, row number one. Have you seen
Okay,
one?
yes.
Right click and insert row. So we're going to use the maximum function to quickly find the maximum. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
go to K1. No, go to K1. So type is equal to max. It's equal to max. Open a bracket. Now select from K2 all the way down. No, not B2. K2. We are dealing with the
Okay,
numbers.
sorry.
We are dealing with the numbers. Good. Hit enter. Okay. Now do the autofill at the top. So this way you can quickly find the maximum. You don't need to be going through. So what if you have about 1 million records? You don't need to go through. It's giving you the maximum. So the first name is 10. Go to your
Yes.
data dictionary, type it. The surname.
So I don't see
Why
19 over here. So
you
that's why
don't
I'm
see,
looking at it.
you don't see what?
Okay, okay, it's fine. I see it. I was
Yeah.
just checking. I couldn't see 19, so I was
Ah,
just
okay. Okay.
so
Okay.
10, 11, 19. Okay.
hmm So go back. hmm Okay.
Okay, 11,
hmm
19.
hmm
Okay, 19, 13 and 13, 12 and 4. Okay. 13,
hmm
12
hmm
and 4. And the last one is okay, that's
5
5.
and 6. So meaning the customer number, you're missing something. So what are we missing? Address 1, address 2, address 3, zip code.
So we don't have what do you call we
So we have zip code.
don't have area code. That's why.
Yeah, so insert another row below. So go to your table tools. Okay, you can insert the row below.
Oh, sorry. I meant to do below.
Yeah. hmm So it's important you check the columns. Okay.
This is the same thing. Okay, no, this is
hmm
excuse me.
Bless you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
5 and 6.
that's it. Okay. So now we
Okay.
have the validation. So our validation will make the customer number a required field. Without a customer number, you can't enter the rest of the records. Okay. So just type required.
Oh,
Required. Check the spelling. Required. Required. Okay. Capital R. Make it required. Capital R. Okay. So that is how you create a data dictionary. Is that okay? Which gives a
yes, please.
description of the data found within the word database. So I want you to delete everything which is there.
So this is a lot for oh, I,
Escape. Hit on the escape key. Now select it and delete it. You don't need to double click. Just click on it. Control Shift right. Hold the Control Shift down arrow. Control Shift right. Control Shift down to quickly select. Control Shift. Press it. No, 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 no. Start again. Start again. No, no.
okay, so
Follow the instruction. Click, click once, click on it once. Now hold on the Control and Shift and add right arrow key.
right, okay.
Yes. Control Shift down arrow key. You see? In 3 seconds, you're done selecting. Press delete on the keyboard.
Oh, why did I
No.
delete?
Escape.
So can I just delete it like
Yeah,
that?
you can do that.
Okay.
You're not shifting. Okay, no problem. Go. Okay.
So but
So
if
go
I
to,
and say like enter like entire column or entire row, does that mean like everything here?
if I say entire column, then it's just one column. But this is a
Okay.
range. Okay, this is a
Okay, so
range.
I want to do that again. So
Okay, clear contents. because with this we have an entire column, entire row. So you are no, you don't need to do that because you selected a ring, but you can hit on delete entire column. Hit, all the columns will be deleted this way. Now go to your left and delete the heading that you inserted.
I'm not too familiar with the shortcuts because I.
Yeah, that's fine. You will learn. Right click, then delete. So I want you to save this database. Let's look at the question. What do you want? What name do they want you to save the database with?
Okay, it says that in the file, edits the data so that it can be used to create this database. Okay,
Uh-huh.
store the data into customer number order. Okay, we already did that.
Yes.
Save this data in an appropriate file format with the file name, data,
Mm-hmm.
and
Followed
underscore.
by your center number, right? Then the
Yes,
candidate number. So
yes.
save it as data. So how do you save this as? Is it save it as?
Sorry, save as.
Then you browse. Let's pick a location on our desktop. Maximize. Browse. So create a folder on your desktop. We are saving it as a not an Excel work. No, we are saving it as CSV, comma delimited. But change the location to your desktop. Go
Okay,
to
so
your
but I thought
desktop.
if I save as a CSV, like all my formulas would.
No, it will still be there.
Okay,
We don't even need the formulas. We finished normalizing the database. So give it a name, which is data underscore, then assume data underscore, then your whatever name underscore.
I'm just going to give you
Uh,
yeah.
just assume, yeah. Now hit on save. That is done. Is it okay now?
Yes, please.
Now let's go and look at the next question. So I want you to delete the, okay, now it's been normalized. It's atomic in nature, right?
Yes, it says use the data to show in the file saved in question 7 to create the database
It's
normalized
normalized to
to
first
the
normal
first
form.
normal
So
form.
save the database as customer followed by blah, 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 blah. You've done that, right?
Yes,
Scroll down.
please.
Scroll down. You're not done. Scroll down. There's another question down there. Okay, that's it.
That's
Go
it.
to the
Yes.
top. Go to the top. Wait. You're moving too fast.
Sorry, sir.
Okay, go to question number 6. Scroll down. Okay, create in your evidence. So we've done the data dictionary, right?
Yes, sir. I think we've done everything.
So you need to title it evidence number 6,
Evidence number
a Word
6.
document. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So give it a title, evidence number 6.
So
So
what about this?
yeah, so we're going to create the database. So open
Okay.
access and import this into your database.
So,
So
sir,
top. Okay.
you
So
said I should
evidence.
say this.
Come again?
You said I should say this as evidence number 6.
No, just title it.
Okay. Oh, okay. Okay.
The title of the yeah. No. Not
Sorry.
within the header. So I want you to select from the yeah, click. I want no, I can move it. Good.
Yes. I just.
Evidence 6. And that's what you'll be doing for your A level. So you do it, you provide the evidence. If you're doing movie maker, creating a video, you need to provide screenshots of the evidence. So I'm
Yes.
preparing you for that. Okay.
So should I just save it as
Check
evidence?
the evidence documents. There should be a name for that. Look at the instructions.
Um.
Look at the instructions for the test.
Okay. It says create a new word. Okay. Okay. And save as evidence.
Evidence followed by your center.
Okay. So
So save it as
oh. Okay, sir, please, I've done it.
You're done?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so let me just close this.
Do you save it on your desktop?
Yes, please.
Okay, good.
It's right here. Sir, please, you see it.
Yes, I can see it. Okay. Now open access.
Access.
Yes.
So it seems like as soon as you said it, it already popped up.
Okay, good. So blank database.
So, and it says, so, okay, let me read the
Look
question.
at the question. Because we need to create the database, right?
Yes, it says, use your data dictionary and the file saved in question 7 to create the database normalized to first, um, first
Um,
normal form.
which we've done already, right?
Yes.
So let's go to our access database. Let's delete the table 1, close it. Now we're going to import a new table. So kindly do that. So we are importing from what? Text file, which is a CSV. Does that make sense?
Yes, please.
Okay. Uh-huh.
Oh, sorry. Let me just close this. I didn't close it. Sorry.
Okay, do that. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so please. Okay.
Next. So delimiter is separated with commas, which is fine. The table contains field names, right?
Yes.
First row is the field name.
Um,
Next. Next. So your primary key, go back. Go back and choose my own primary key. So what's your primary key?
Okay, so sorry. Choose my own. It's
Uh-huh.
customer number.
Yes, that is it. Now next. So what name are you giving to the database?
I
Check
think.
the question.
Okay, so it didn't say.
Okay. So save the database as customer followed by okay. Data followed by center number, blah 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 blah.
So should I just name a customer?
Customers, yes, customers. Customers.
Oh,
Customers.
oh, into my writing.
Okay. Now finish.
Okay, so what else? Oh,
That's it.
so is okay. Um, what's
Customers. Finish. Close. You don't need to save the import steps. Now double click to open your customers. Voila, you've created your database. Does that
yes,
make sense?
yes,
So we
please.
had this messy data in Excel, which was a CSV file, right?
Yes, please.
We removed duplicate records and we normalized it to a third first normal form where we separated the first name and the surname and the addresses into separate fields. And we did the same for the area code and what telephone. And within our data dictionary, we also highlighted certain field sizes. So how do we do that? So let's go back to
The
viewing
question.
this in design view. I want you to view it in design view. The
Oh, okay.
customers table.
Sorry.
The customers table should be viewed in design view. So customer number is a number. Let's look at our data dictionary, your Word document. Then let's check if the field sizes we gave is what we have. If that's not the case, then we will need
It
to change.
says 2.
So the customer number is what? The field size is what?
Yes. Long integer.
Leave it at, we
Okay.
can just leave it at that. Let's go to the first name. Check the first name. Click. What's the field size? 255, which is too much. So go and look at your data dictionary and change it.
It's 10.
It's 10. So we clear that, we make it 10. But we can even give an allowance. But if you are going strictly according to what we have, then the maximum is 10. But we can have
Okay.
a first name which will be more than 10 characters. You should bear that in mind. Okay.
11, 19, 13. Okay.
So 11,
11, 11, 19,
19,
19,
uh-huh,
13.
mhm,
So, okay, 11, 19, 13,
yes,
12, 4, 5, 6.
uh-huh,
So, okay, this is 10. Okay. 12, 12. So, this is numbers. So,
yeah,
should I,
leave it, yeah.
but in the data dictionary,
Yeah,
we,
but for numbers, we cannot have the field sizes working within the access environment. So it's fine. Okay.
okay, so,
It shouldn't be large number, just number. Just make it number. Yeah, that's it. So we're
okay, so,
finished. Now you need to save your database.
okay.
Save as a database. And what name will you ask to give to the database?
Do you want to,
Yeah.
yes.
Yes. hmm
My desktop. It's customer underscore then your this thing.
Okay, that was okay. That was the instruction. Then that's fine.
Yes, please. Customers. Okay, let me check if it's customers or customer.
Okay, check.
It's customer, not
Okay,
customer.
followed by your center number. So it's good that you're following instructions, and that's what's going to save you in the
G
ITA
G.
level exam. Okay,
Yes, please.
say okay.
So I think we are done.
Yes, I know you are tired.
Oh no, sir, I'm just saying we're like
Okay, so you see, we finished with the database aspect, right?
yes,
You
please.
can stop sharing. Okay, good. So at least we've been online for almost an hour. What are you taking out of this entire experience on
Okay,
data?
so far we haven't touched database yet in class, but we
Okay,
did video editing and sound editing. So yes, I think I have to go and research more on the first normal form and second normal form. So
normal
I watch,
form and third normal
yeah,
form. Yeah.
yes, the forms
Yes.
because this is my first time seeing it. So I
Okay.
have to check on it. But I think so far it's not it's because of the IGCSE. So like I've
You're
gotten,
familiar some
yes, I'm
way.
familiar with some of the things. So I don't think it's that difficult. But the new terms is like it's a lot of work because they don't really. It's like they expect you to know what to do when they say first normal form. Because if I saw that question, I wouldn't know what to do. And it's 19 marks. But in the
Yeah.
IGCSE, it's like they break down each question. So or like put bullet points, put this. But this time
Okay.
it's they expect you to know what to do.
Yeah, this is A level for you.
Yes, because there's 19 marks and there's no explanation. Just you.
Yes.
You just
Yeah,
have to understand.
that is it. So at least it has opened your eyes. So what I would encourage is use the G metrics. I want you to start practicing on Microsoft Access. Okay. So
Yes, please.
functions on tables, queries, report, work on them. Then maybe when we meet again, That's your assignment. You're going to have to explain to me what do you mean by first normal form, second normal form,
So
third
you
normal.
said I should research on.
First, database normalization of databases. Okay.
Okay.
And
Data.
concentrate on first normal form, second normal form, and a third normal form.
Okay, sir.
Are we good?
Yes, please.
Okay. Have you got any question for me?
No, sir. I think
Okay.
they. I think it's quite understandable. I find practical more easy than theory,
Yeah. So
and I know.
uh-huh.
I know. Sorry for cutting you. I know that there will be theory and practical. Saying like,
Yeah.
oh,
So we'll finish off with the practical. Make sure you have a solid understanding and a full grasp of it. Then we will concentrate on the theoretical aspects because you need to make the A star in your A level.
yes, please,
Okay.
yes, yes, please.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Bye bye.
Sir.